Hello and welcome to Learning Peak. We're glad you're here. We hope we can explain everything clearly and make learning easy for you. Let's start learn together and grow together. Good morning, sir. Today I heard about something called EEG. What exactly is EEG?
Good morning. That's a great question. Today we will learn what EEG is and why it is important in medicine. EEG stands for electroencephalography. It is a medical test used to measure and record the electrical activity of the brain.
Electrical activity. Does the brain produce electricity?
Yes, it does. Our brain contains billions of nerve cells called neurons. These neurons communicate with each other through tiny electrical signals. EEG helps doctors observe and record these signals.
That sounds interesting. But how do doctors record these signals?
During an EEG test, small metal discs called electrodes are placed on the patient's scalp. These electrodes are connected to a machine that detects the brain's electrical signals.
So the electrodes go inside the brain?
No, not at all. EEG is completely non-invasive, which means nothing goes inside the body. The electrodes are simply placed on the scalp, and the test is painless.
What happens after the electrodes record the signals?
The EEG machine converts those electrical signals into brainwave patterns, which appear as lines on a computer screen or paper. Doctors analyze these patterns to understand how the brain is functioning.
And what diseases can EEG help detect?
The EEG is commonly used to diagnose epilepsy, seizures, sleep disorders, brain infections, and sometimes brain injuries or tumors. It is also used to study sleep and brain activity.
So EEG basically helps doctors see how the brain is working?
Exactly. It allows doctors to monitor brain activity in real time and identify abnormal patterns.
That's amazing! I didn't know the brain's electrical signals could be recorded like that.
Yes, it's a fascinating technology. In simple words, EEG is a method used to listen to and record the electrical language of the brain.
Thank you, sir. Now I clearly understand what EEG is and why it is important.
You're welcome. Always stay curious and keep learning.